welcome back to Trainer Heads, people. It's your girl Ree, and today I'll be reviewing the Nike Ldwaffle Fragment and Sacai collab in the navy colorway. History on these bad boys. So this is the first of the three-way collab. So as you can see, it has the Fragment, the Sacai, and the Nike. It's the first one that's actually been with Fragment, but it is the 9th overall collaboration that Nike has done with Sacai, especially on this silhouette. This one came out on the 24th of August and is one of two that dropped that same day. So you had the navy and you had the gray. Design. So as you can see, the double layering of the swoosh here, the double stacked sole as well, that is very, because if you know what if you're familiar with the brand, the clothing brand, everything is like double layered, so you have the double layered tongue here. But generally, it will have the Nike tongue first and then the Sacai one at the back. This one actually has Fragment, the lightning bolt there on this one here. And then the Fragment lightning bolt isn't actually anywhere else on the silhouette, but you do have more Sacai branding here and the Fragment wording here. Mesh and suede upper around the medials as well. It's actually like a dark navy, which I think has been mistaken for black, but it's actually navy. You'll see on the zoom in, and navy laces, but it also comes with white laces too. I think white lace on this will be a bit more fresh. But yeah, and the white is literally the same as the navy. Sorry, it is the same as the navy, but just grey. Comfort, right, so these are comfortable. It actually has a very soft insole, cushioned, yep. It's bouncy, very bouncy. Probably a light trainer to wear as well, so that's it's airy, it's good. I would say for sizing, it's not true to size. It is about a half a size up. So those of you that didn't get him and are gonna get the resell, the restock, if they ever are restocked, half a size up is advised. And they kind of look a bit longer anyway because of this part. But yeah, really comfortable. How much do they cost? For such a dope three-way collab, these actually are quite cheap. 155. Premium materials is very worth it. Resale is currently at 210 though. So, you know, if I were you, I'd get them now. Because I think that's pretty like ideal. And in trainer world, we know that 210 for a very good collab with premium materials is actually worth it. So not too bad for the resale either. What do I rate these? It's a 5 out of 5 from me. I think the colorway is sick. It's very stylish, it's very sleek, it's very streamlined, it's tidy. You know me, I like tidy kicks. I like my dark colors as well. Things that are very easy to wear and don't look unnecessary when you're on the road. So I love this. It's a good stepper, neat shoe. Can wear it with some skinny jeans. Could wear it with a dress, I would. Could wear it with pretty much most things, you know. And the dark coloring just makes it even more easier. Like I said, I would fling on the white laces, but still a 5 out of 5 from me. Tidy. I love it. That's it from me. Ree, Trainer Heads. Make sure you follow us on the gram and on YouTube. Subscribe. Putting everything on there. And follow us on TikTok, Trainer Heads 24/7. Peace. Voila.